Ever poured your heart into a TikTok only to have the sound mysteriously vanish? Don't worry, we've all been there. And today we're diving deep into how to fix sound removed from your TikTok videos. First things first, let's pinpoint why your sound might have been removed. The most common culprit. Copyright strikes. TikTok is super strict about music and audio that isn't licensed. If you used a popular song, a snippet of a movie, or even just someone else's audio without permission, your sound could be muted. TikTok will usually notify you if a copyright issue is the reason. You'll often see a notification or a message directly on your video indicating the sound was removed due to a copyright claim. If this is the case, your options are limited. You can either try to remove the copyrighted audio entirely and read a licensed sound from TikTok's library, or if you believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision directly through TikTok's support system. Sometimes the issue isn't copyright, but a technical glitch during editing or uploading. If you edited your video outside of TikTok and then uploaded it, there might have been an error transferring the audio. Try re-editing the video within the TikTok app itself. You can often reassign a sound by going into the video's edit options and selecting a new sound from their extensive, royalty-free library. Another common editing mistake is accidentally muting the original audio or the added soundtrack during the editing process. Double-check your video's editing timeline within TikTok. Make sure both your original audio and any music or voiceovers you added are not muted or have their volume turned down to 0. Look for volume sliders or mute icons in the editing interface. If none of these seem to be the problem, consider if you accidentally uploaded a silent video. It sounds simple, but it happens. Go back to your original video file on your phone and play it to confirm the audio is present. If the audio is missing from the source file, you'll need to re-record or edit the original video with sound before uploading. By systematically checking for copyright issues, technical glitches, and editing oversights, you can significantly increase your chances of restoring sound to your TikTok videos and making sure your content is heard loud and clear.